Ever pondered what keeps the universe ticking? It's a symphony of invisible forces. Just as an orchestra relies on different instruments to create a harmonious melody, the universe depends on four primary forces to maintain its balance and structure. These are the four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. Gravity, the most familiar of the quartet, is the force that binds us to the Earth and keeps the planets orbiting around the Sun. Electromagnetism is responsible for light, electricity, and everything that has to do with charged particles. The strong nuclear force holds together the protons and neutrons within an atom's nucleus, while the weak nuclear force orchestrates radioactive decay. These forces, although unseen, are the invisible puppeteers that shape every aspect of our universe. They interplay in a cosmic dance, creating the reality we experience every day. So, brace yourselves as we dive into the mystical realm of these fundamental forces. Imagine jumping and never coming back down. Sounds fun, right? But thanks to gravity, we're always grounded. You see, gravity is the universe's way of keeping everything in check. It's like a cosmic glue, sticking us to the planet, making sure we don't float off into the deep, dark void of space. Gravity is a force of attraction that exists between any two masses, any two bodies, any two particles. It's what keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground. It's what keeps the planets in their orbits around the sun. It's what makes an apple fall from a tree straight down and not sideways or upwards. Without gravity, there would be no life as we know it. The Earth would not have an atmosphere, the tides would not turn, and your coffee would float out of your cup. So next time you jump, take a moment to appreciate the force that brings you back down. Gravity, the silent sentinel, ensuring we're not floating around like untethered balloons. Ever wondered why your hair stands up when you pull off a woolly jumper? That's electromagnetism in action. It's one of the four fundamental forces of the universe, and it's a real powerhouse. Electromagnetism governs the behavior of charged particles. It's the cosmic law enforcer ensuring electrons stay in their orbits around the nucleus of an atom, like planets circling the sun. But that's not all. Electromagnetism is also the maestro behind the creation of light. When an electron falls back from a higher energy level to a lower one, it releases energy in the form of a photon, which is essentially what we see as light. Beyond that, electromagnetism is the basis for all chemical reactions. It dictates how atoms bond, combine, and interact, shaping the world around us from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Electromagnetism, the unsung hero, lights up our lives quite literally. What's common between the sun's warmth and the devastating power of a nuclear bomb? It's the might of the nuclear forces. The nuclear forces, strong and weak, are like the unsung heroes of the universe, tirelessly working behind the scenes. They might be invisible to the naked eye, but their impact is monumental. Let's delve into the world of these forces. Firstly, the strong nuclear force. This force is like the glue that holds the nucleus of an atom together, binding protons and neutrons in a tight embrace. It's so strong that it overpowers the electromagnetic force, preventing the protons from repelling each other. And then, there's the weak nuclear force. Despite its name, it's not weak in the conventional sense. It's the secret agent behind radioactive decay and the nuclear fusion that fuels the sun. It transforms one type of subatomic particle into another, creating the energy that lights up our universe. The nuclear forces, though invisible, are the mighty architects of the smallest and the most colossal phenomena in the universe. That concludes this week's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more universal facts. Thanks for watching.